viewers, we're here for something special today. We're doing an unboxing video of an epic bag. You're gonna get my unfiltered, one take, first impressions of this, my new tech backpack from Waterfield Designs, sfbags.com. If you know the maker, if you know the brand, you know that this is a top-notch, top quality bag. And I'm so excited to check it out for you for the first time today. Like, we are literally unboxing this together, and we're going to get first thoughts, first take reviews. Boom. Okay, here's the bag packaged in plastic. We will open it up, grab it by the beautiful handles, and there we are. This is the 14-inch version of the tech backpack. Flip it around to this side. You can see I got the waxed canvas with the chocolate leather strap. First impressions, feels great. Feels great. Got the leather on the grab handles. Wow. Very tasteful small logo right here. I wanted to do this ever since I saw the bag. Magnetic closure. Okay, let's check out this drop pocket on the front. Wow. Okay, you've got a honeycomb kind of pattern in there. Magnetic closure, smells incredible. You can already tell this is going to get a cool patina over time. Got a couple of attachment points down here, really small, really small. I think they're actually zipper pulls and attachment points, so interesting. All right, up top, oh wow, check out the zippers. You can see they are beautiful waterproof zippers on a canvas bag. It's a wax canvas, so I guess some waterproof capability. You can already see kind of the form factor of this bag. It's really kind of rectangular, squared off. It has a luggage pass-through on the back. Don't think I'll use that much, but nice to have. Love that. All right, let's check out the front. Smooth, silky smooth. Oh, organization. Wow. All right, what do we have going on here? Three zippered pockets, two stretchy felt-lined pockets, four, look at the care. I mean, they have lined up all the zippers in exactly the same way for the first use. I mean, good Lord. All right, so we've got inside this compartment 1, 2, 3, 4 zippered tech pockets. Over here we've got 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 pockets, in addition to the capacity to just use a drop pocket in here and slip something in. Wow. I love it. I love it. Let's check out the other compartment. Wow. All right, first off, we've got our strap in here. So we can go ahead and hook that up. Wow, that is really, really nice material. Really nice, actually. We'll hook it up on this side. All right, first impressions of the strap are it's rubberized, kind of neoprene on top. The metal buckles are really well built out, seatbelt material elsewhere, and then a really comfortable strap. So yeah, that'll work. All right, so what's going on in this compartment? Well, first off, it doesn't clamshell like the other one, so that's good to know. Then inside I have a laptop sleeve. Let's see if I can show this. A laptop sleeve and a tablet sleeve, and this beautiful honeycomb, I guess zigzag golden color. And then on this side we have the key fob, and then we have 2 giant slip pockets and 2 pin size pockets for the admin component. And then you can see kind of a big cavernous interior for traditional storage. And then the whole thing is covered over. Wow, that's it. That's the bag. That's our first impressions of this bag. This is an unboxing, so it's too early for me to tell you what I like and don't like about the bag. I always try and wear them for a week before I do that for you guys. First impressions overall, you get what you pay for. Quality, 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 quality. More to come. We'll do a full review of this bag soon. I wanted to show it to you as soon as I got it. Wow. All right, we'll see you next time, Wanderers.